Change is in the air at Highfield Hall Gardens. It's time to say goodbye to our iconic stickwork sculpture, A Passing Fancy, by Patrick Doherty. True to its name, it was never meant to be a permanent installation, and it was recently dismantled to make room for a new and exciting outdoor exhibit from the Boston Sculptors Gallery. The new exhibit will showcase large-scale, site-specific sculptures designed to punctuate the grounds, gardens, and public spaces. We're so excited to have their art adorn the grounds of Highfield Hall Gardens. Creating a unique juxtaposition to the large-scale sculptures, we will once again welcome back our special Fairy House exhibition, featuring the theme of element, which will be expressed as the 4 elements of matter: air, water, earth, or fire, or as the chemically pure substances found in the 118 elements of the periodic table. Inside, we will continue to present outstanding seasonal art exhibits and fill the house with classical and contemporary music. And thanks to a generous support from the Arts Foundation of Cape Cod, the Falmouth, Mashpee, and Sandwich Local Cultural Councils, and the Cape Cod Foundation, we are proud to partner with the Wampanoag Tribe education specialist to develop programming that highlights Indigenous culture, culminating in our 2nd annual Wampanoag Cultural Celebration Day set for October 2nd, 2022. If you're a dog lover, you won't want to miss the Hounds of Highfield on Saturday, June 25th. This family-friendly community event will feature dog contests, a doggy parade and costume contest, an obstacle course, service dog demonstrations, raffles, prizes, and much more. More information on all our programs and events can be found at www.highfieldhall.org. So we invite you to come, be enchanted, enlightened, educated, enriched, or just be. There's something for everyone at Highfield Hall Gardens.